Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to reply to a message in the Messenger app on your PC. This new update has made the process smoother, allowing for clearer conversations. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your chats. Once you're in, you'll see all your ongoing conversations displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the chat where you want to reply to a specific message. Click on that conversation to open it. This will bring up the chat history, and you'll be able to see all the messages exchanged. Now, scroll through the messages until you find the one you want to reply to. It's always a good idea to respond to specific messages, especially in busy chats, to keep everything clear and organized. Once you've found the message, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a few options appear on the right side. Click on Reply. This action will allow you to reply directly to that specific message, keeping the context intact. Now it's time to write your response. In the text box that appears, type out your message. You can add emojis or any other elements to make your reply more engaging. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, go ahead and click Send. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to a message in the Messenger app on your PC. This feature makes conversations much easier to follow, allowing everyone involved to understand exactly what you're referring to. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using Messenger and other tech tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy chatting.